Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today, I have something very special for all of you. Yes, today is the day that I received my package from Automotive Touch-Up with the paint that is supposedly supposed to match my 64 C10.
Yeah, buddy.
So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to try it out on one of the doors for the truck today to give you guys an idea of what it's going to look like. Ideally, I would like the engine to be completely clean, with the firewall being, the stock color. With the firewall being the stock color and with the rest of it being black and the outside just being a green patina. This is an attempt to try and, cover up all that yellow and blue and primer mixed colors. So we'll see how this works out. I'm hoping that we get a good result from it. The whole point is to make it look more like a natural patina, like it's actually been sitting in the field untouched. You guys can follow me on this journey to see if it ends up working out or not. I'm kind of crossing my fingers, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so I just got the touch-up paint in from Automotive Touch-Up. This is for the 64 C10 build. Some of the patina on the truck, someone had sprayed primer all over the bed, and so in an attempt to kind of match and make the patina look a little bit better, I ordered some touch-up paint from these guys that's supposed to match the original light green paint that the truck was originally painted before it was painted over with blue, body filler, and a bunch of primers. So I just opened the top of the box, but I figured I'd show you guys what's inside and what to expect. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, so that's the first can, base coat color. And I will make sure to include the order details in the description of this video as well. And I can even show you in this video how much both these cost. I just ordered 2 cans because I really wasn't sure how well this was gonna work. So, but that's what it looks like, Automotive Touch-Up. And that cap is broken, which is okay, as long as everything looks okay. Seems to be fine. Okay. Do something to test on. It was about 50 bucks total. The cans actually came to 40 bucks, but it was 10 bucks roughly to ship them. And then I don't think there's anything else that comes in here, just packaging. But this may be a good solution for either guys that are wanting to either touch up their nice paint jobs or wanting to make their patinas look a little better because somebody else messed them up. So that's my whole reason behind getting this in the first place. So we'll see. And right here, this is the code that I've got for my Chevy. So again, the 64 C10 that I have, I bought it as a funky primer color with a blue. I thought it was originally blue. But when I started to peel back some of that primer, I realized this was originally a light green truck, and I actually found that when I started buffing down the firewall, it said light green, and it gave a specification for what color it was originally. So I went ahead and I looked up the Chevy code for a 64 C10 that was light green back then, and this is the code I came up with. But we'll see how well this paint matches. And I mean, I'm pretty excited about it. We'll see if we can fix the bed. It's got a lot of Bondo, so hopefully we can get more of an authentic patina out of it. I don't know if the video does this product justice, but my gosh, it matches extremely well. I sprayed it on the door and it looks great. I think that this is going to make this truck look a lot more consistent, a lot better, and a lot more natural. So I'm pretty excited to see, after we order a couple more cans, what it's gonna look like on the rest of the truck. I'm also planning to actually do the firewall with it, but instead of just, spray painting just kind of over it to make it look more like a patina thing, I'm actually going to prime the firewall, paint it, and shoot a clear coat on it because I like the color so much. I'd like to make it look like it's stock in the engine bay and then kind of keep that rustic look on the outside. If you guys have any questions in regards to this product, you can go check out their site, or you can leave me a comment below and I'll try to answer it. So I'm hoping to get a video up next week of us, sealing the cab up, spraying some rubberized coating underneath it, and potentially even doing the firewall as well. I want to get the whole underside and firewall completely knocked out. If you guys have any other questions in regards to what I'm doing on the truck, you can shove it. I'm just kidding. You can ask me, just leave me a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. I'll see you guys next week.